My reaction about Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo. Um, he just wanna say a public apology in social media. However, he wants to say sorry to the public. He wants to say He wants to apologize to Diwata. He wants to apologize the TVJ and Biko Soto. That is better to deserve your consequence, Best Pills. Arnel G. Castillo, that is your consequence. I know what you are doing is to make cyberbullying in social media. For me, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, do not bash Diwata. Wag ganon, Best Pills. You know, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, this is a better one to say sorry to the public. Oh, you must to do a public apology. You do not say a repeating sorry during the time of Paula Nunez when she say sorry to Teacher May. Wag na paulit-ulit ng sorry. That's why Paula Nunez learns how to apologize to Teacher May Tiburcio way back at face-to-face time in 2019 in CDIFI. Oh, that was the time. So for me, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, if you learn how to make a public apology in social media, then whatever you just do is to make a public apology. So that is how could be better to same thing that you never do that again. So if you realize your mistake, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, I know what your feeling was You're feeling you're a bully, you're whatsoever. Then you need to learn your consequence. As I speak, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, that is your reality time that you made the consequence. And you know, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, you have to stop mentioning about Rita Ziri, the Miss Earth 2023. You have to stop mentioning about Mina Su Choi. You have to stop mentioning about those CDIFI teachers, including Teacher May Tiburcio, Teacher Marisa Conche, Teacher Aisa Vadkula, even Michelle D, even Paula Nunez, even Wawel Romero. Not only Wawel Romero, you should not included them. You should never include Teacher Rina Nebres, Teacher Lovelyn Bilasor. You should not include Teacher Evelyn Caja, who was retired and former principal in CDIFI. And you should not include the person that you should not include um include, aside of you include, you should not include Teacher JDD Chavez, the friend of Paulo Cuba, Junel D. Chavez. Oh, you know, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, you are really wanted by authorities. So whatever you like to make a public apology, then so be it. Oh, you learn how to make a public apology. Oh, you should apologize to me that you called me autistic. If I were you, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, you need to apologize to me. Then we will stop fighting against each other. As I speak, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, you're the one who stole the bicycle in Las Piñas. However, and you're the one who stole the bicycle of Jen Bravo, however, in Las Piñas. And you're the one who stole the money and cell phone of Sir Calvin Cuevas and Gio Malana in Marikina last 2022. Oh, that was you, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo. You're the one who pushed that kid in SM Grand Central last year. You're the one. And you're the one who make cyberbullying against Vico Soto. Making, I don't know what he's posting in Filipino. He said that, bastos ka naman, Vico Soto. Best Pill Arnel G. Castillo said that in the post on Facebook. That's not good. Wag ganon, Best Pill. You know, Best Pill, Arnel G. Castillo, you are convicted. Oh, you are convicted of act of lasciviousness at Rita Ziri, Shania Kiana, Mina Suchoy. Oh, not even that. You include the CDIFI teachers. Even Teacher May Tiburcio, Teacher Marisa Conche, Teacher Freddy Mima Salabsilos, Teacher Aisel Bancula, Teacher Labdin Bilasor, including Teacher Evelyn Caha. Not even just that, you include Teacher Junel D. Chavez, Teacher JD. Oh, it's not good, Best Pills. Arnel G. Castillo. Even that you make act of lasciviousness to Ma'am Teacher Kel, she was in US. How dare you, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo. Plus, the FBI was not here in the Philippines. Ma'am Teacher Kel was in United States. She ignore Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo. That is deserve your consequence. Best Pills, you know, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, you should not include anyone. However, if you make an enemy in social media, then you have to show your consequence. Even you, Gina Sejo, you have lots of consequences at Shania Kiana. You make you're the one who scolded me in CDIFI way back 2003 and 2004. You're the one who scolded David Gill in 1999 in CDIFI. Oh. What is your feeling now, Ma'am Gina Sejo? Oh, Gina Sejo, if you're watching this in my YouTube blog, can you just please leave Shania Kiana alone? Like I said in Filipino, tantanan mo na siya. That's why. If both of you don't really how to stop, pag hindi kayo tumigil, that's why I say to Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, and Gina Sejo, I should put both of you in my enemy list together, that I move on from Rodelio Daguman, Anthony Solares, Ivy Montalayola, including Jeffrey Beltran, Anya Santos Dumaloog, and Darame Tuason. Oh, that's not good. Look at me. Oh, me. I learn how to make a public apology to 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 teacher Gia Malana and also to Larry Chuanico. That is always to be learn how to make a public apology. Oh, and I learned my consequences. So I made my YouTube blog. I learned how to apologize. Oh, me. I learned how to apologize to David Gill and his family members. Oh, I already apologized last 2022. Oh, when I attacked the church at me and Larry Chuanico, we attacked the church. Oh, I apologize. Oh, and we apologize that we ruin their reputation. Oh, and their status. And not even that, me, I learned how to apologize to Sir Joel Ferrer, who is a lawyer. Tito Joel. I apologize to Tito Joel Ferrer that I made a mistake. That I chatted him and I said to Joel Ferrer, oh, please, Tito Joel Ferrer, if you realize that, please dismiss my cases against me. I chatted you on Facebook. I learned how to make a public apology, but because we never talk each other since face to face, I never been in Cubao. Oh, like my friend Bill Galang and Yvette Jurado, Crystal Dulce, who were see each other in Cubao, oh, Cubao. I said it like I said it in Cubao, there is Quezon City. Oh, I never been in Cubao. But I say to Sir Joel Ferrer, I say to Tito Joel, I chatted him already. I told him that I will never do that again, Sir Joel Ferrer. I will be responsible in social media and tell Mrs. Annie Gill and Mr. Dennis Gill to dismiss my cases. Oh, I dismiss. Oh, I will not do that again. I have to learn about my lesson. I will learn about my etiquette in social media. That is the word. That is the real time I can use social media etiquettely. Oh, not making nonsense. Me, I'm not a stalker. I'm not a bully. I'm not a hacker. I'm changing myself. Oh, I fix myself. I justify myself. Inayusin ko sa sarili ko. That's what I just do. So for me, best pill, Arnel G. Castillo, ayusin mo sa sarili mo. That's why you need to fix yourself. You need to justify yourself. You have to stop posting against Diwata and TVJ. In your Facebook page, Best Pill, Arnel G. Castillo, why can't you just post 700 Club Asia? That was I was told by Tera Francisco. Oh, that was I told by Sam Eranjo's mom, Mrs. Caridad Eranjo. O Tita Karing. Oh, that was Sam Eranjo's mom. Oh, or I was told by Jude Goles' mom. Oh, uh, uh, Mrs. Michelle Goles. Oh, but Jude Goles preferred that his mother, Ate Michelle. That's not what you're saying. That's my relative. Oh, that's Michelle Goles. That was Jude Goles' mom. Oh, even Sam Eranjo's mom, Caridad Eranjo. She said to me, "You watch 700 Club Asia. That is better to learn how uh, to respect to other people." If I were say to you, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, you post on a Facebook page 700 Club Asia. Or read in Tanglao, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, Tanglao. Oh, you read in Tanglao. Look at me in In Holy Week, I learned how to pray for my sin. Oh, I apologize to Ma'am Jessa Fernandez that I criticized her, that I insulted her, that I lashed her out at her. I apologize to Ma'am Jessa Fernandez. And Ma'am Jessa Fernandez says that she never posed against Rodrigo Duterte and Bongbong Marcos. She posting about her family picture and during in Christmas Day with her family. Oh, even that her husband, Sir Calvin Cuevas. Oh, for me, I learned how to apologize to Ma'am Jessa Fernandez. I apologize to her. Oh, I will never harass her anymore. I just let her be. I just leave her alone. I just told to my friend Jordan Bunagan, you need to let Ma'am Jessa Fernandez be. Oh, let's leave her alone. Oh, let's focus about her family members and her business man, Sir Calvin Cuevas, who's a businessman in Secret Game Base. Oh, I chat Jordan Bunagan. I told him already. I told him already that do not harass Ma'am Jessa Fernandez. That's very awful. Let's let her be. Oh, and we can do whatever we want during Easter Sunday. Oh, that's Easter Sunday, and then let's let her be. Oh. Because we have our own new enemy. Oh, there's Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, who's a bias against Itbulaga. Oh, and you know, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, you should never make an enemy in social media. Like I said to you, Best Pills, maawa ka naman, Best Pills. Arnel G. Castillo, you need to stop. Because otherwise, I was told by, who is it, Gio Malana and Shania Kiana, even I was told by Drita Ziri and the one of the TVJ fan, Ekong Gonzalez, they told me, you need to tell Best Pills, Ardel G. Castillo, you need to tell him to stop. Oh. That's why you need to stop, Best Pills. Arnel G. Castillo, tigilan mo na yan, Best Pill. Batang Maynila Tolit says in a YouTube blog, what he says to you, oh, tumigil ka na, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, wag ka na magpo-post ng kung ano-ano, anong mga kantarataduhan. That's why, you know, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, you need to stop. Tigilan mo na yan, that's why. Even you, Gina Sejo, you need to stop attacking Shania Kiana. Okay, I'm done with this vlog.